Come here. Four. Oh. Come here. Ooh. What? I didn't bring my bag, but it's going in my pocket. That is the biggest piece I've ever found. How lucky is that? That is super lucky. Super lucky. Oh. She's swimming. She's swimming away. Goodbye. My poor girl. Oh look, there's a boat. Watch the boat go by. Hello, boat. He's swimming. That's a nice boat. They're over there. What are they doing? Come here! They're like, what the heck was that? Oh, here comes the wake. Come on. Oh shit. Come on, Josie, come here. Come on. Come on. Get out of it. Come here, stay. Josie, come here. Don't even get in the water. Come here. Come here. 20. Josie. Yeah, we don't go in the water when that's happening. Now he's digging. Oh. Oh, a bone. Bone. More bone. Is that a bone? I'm gonna pick it up. It is a bone. Hmm. Well, great. Now I can't see anything. Oh, I love getting wet. Thank you for splashing me. Okay, I don't see any more nice rocks or geodes. All right, come on, kids. You ready to go? Come on. Yeah, we go. We go home. Now I walked for an hour to go home. Come on. Into the tunnel. Secret tunnel. Josie! She's not as fast. When we get home, we're all taking baths. Goodbye, water, until another day. Bam! And we're out. I'm very happy I found that rock. And it would have just been washed away by that giant stinky boat. There's a bit of coral. I don't like coral. I mean, I do like coral, but I already have a gigantic piece. There's more coral. And literally, if I ever wanted coral, there's so much, I wouldn't have a problem finding it down here. Now I have to try and get over this tree on this muddy hill. Please don't stab me. Oh, please. This is hard with only one hand. Oh, whatever. Somebody, knows where this water is coming from. I'd love to know. I'm pretty sure it's because the river is under and it's underground water. But like, this water is coming out and going through, and there's multiple holes where water has come out So if anybody knows what causes this and what it is, I'd like to know. I have a sneaking suspicion, but I just would like to read it and make it easy on myself. All right, well, now we're heading home. Usually when this creek is here, it means the river's still high. So I was a little scared that it was gonna be too high, that we couldn't go through the tunnel. But I wore my boots today and we went through. What is that? Toy football. It was a turtle or something. My dog, my other dog, Josie, come on. Oh, she's peeing. Okay. I took his collar off so it wouldn't get wet. Come here, Ford. I'm gonna put this down right there. Come here, Bob. Ooh, don't get on my phone, please. Okay. He's good. Come on, Bob. Oh, I need to fix that. Come here. 4. And never mind. There goes my stick. Oh. Okay, here we go. Gotta cross over this. Mainly, I just walk and I let the dogs do whatever they want. Because I already know that they're gonna come back. They've never run off on me without coming back at least 5 minutes later. I'm not too worried. I am still looking for crystals. With this sunlight, I find them when they shine. Because I don't really... Coral. I don't really know how to look for geodes. So, I'm a wiener. Not a winner, but a wiener. Wiener, wiener. No wiener dinner. We are going to go this way. This water's crystal clear. Normally this creek is dried up. I've never actually walked through it while I was wet. I'm definitely glad I have knee-high boots on. There's the dog. What did the dog doing? Oh. Okay. I'm fine. There's a bunch of little bugs flying around. I mean, I don't mind them, but I don't want them to get in my mouth. I hate hagweed. Stupid. I think it's one of the worst weeds you can have. If you have watched this video the entire way, you have earned yourself 10 Ashland bucks. If you would like to redeem your Ashland bucks, message me on Instagram and I will draw you a pretty picture. 10 Ashland bucks for a pretty picture. And we go under. Ow. And we go over. Well, I didn't go over anything, so we don't go over. Mushrooms. I have never been over here. Time to go under the tree. Ah! Okay. And I got lots of water in my boot. Hey, that's too deep. Mini waterfall. Okay. Time to unclog this. Crap. Oh, look. There's a hole. Water is quite clean, too. Alright. Onward. Like the movie. That was a pretty okay movie. Oh, goodness. Anyways, it was an okay movie. What? Dude, okay. Look at that! So, is there a spring? Is that what it is? Is there a freshwater spring over here? There's another hole. What is this? Because look, no more water. All of this water is coming from this. What in the world? Wow. What's in there? Hello? Somebody living in there? Tell me. I can't see. Crystal clear water. That's amazing. Should I drink it? Comment if I should drink the water when I come back. Guys, if this video reaches 150 likes, I will drink the whole water. Because look, now it's all dry. There's nothing over here. No water. Water? No water. Weird. Super, super weird. And bugs are in my eyes. Oh, bugs are in my eyes. Bugs are in my eyes. Also, I lost his bandana. It fell out of my pocket. So, it's not like I don't have a million at home. Oh well. Creek. Dry creek. Josie's down there. Look how big this tree is. Here's my feet. Tree. What the heck? Oh, it gets bigger down here. Here's my feet. What? I'm gonna jump off right here. Don't break. It broke. Okay. I'm fine. I'm fine. Okay, here we go. What is my dog doing? Somebody, come get this dog. Somebody got some kind of giant machine and they drove it. Also, this tree was not here before, so. And they made this more creek-like. But I just wonder, how do they get it down here? I just don't know. We are about 30 minutes away from being home. If I rush, I can probably make it 20. But why would you want to rush this nice walk? Well, number one, daylight is going down. Number two, I have to give the dogs a bath. Number three, I'm giving them a bath outside. Number four, I don't want to get my tub dirty. Number five, their claws scratch my tub. Number six, if I put a towel down, then I have to wring the towel out. I don't feel like doing that. Also, there's like a cave up there. It's just like a small cave. I am not going in it. The dogs don't want to go in it. So, we will leave the mysterious cave alone. It's like right up on that hillside. Me and the dogs have agreed to leave the cave alone. Whew. You'd think I'd be tired by now, but I'm not, because I've been walking this hike. I've been doing this hike for almost a whole year now. So I've got stamina and endurance and 2 dogs. Oh, they're right there. Also, armadillo bones. Armadillo bones. I put them up there. Barbed wire. Josie! Oh, she's up there. She was behind me. Silly me, giving away my location. I already know I'm trespassing, but I'm pretty sure whoever's land this is knows I'm here. It's already been a year that I've walked down here, and I'm pretty sure they have cameras, but I'm only taking nice rocks. Also, nobody can own the riverbank, so whatever I took from the river, it's perfectly legal. I'm not stealing, whatever. It's nature. Nature's for everybody. I'm not selling it. I am gonna wash it and put it in my room because I'm going to appreciate it. Anyways, pretty sure they have trail cams and they know I'm walking down here. But I'm not doing nothing bad. I'm not taking any of their stuff. I'm just walking my dog. Dogs. And having fun out in nature. People say, go play outside. And whenever I do, oh, you can't play out there. Well, I'm not doing nothing. Why can't I? Ain't that right, for? What would he do if he didn't have all this nice land to himself? It'd be really boring, I'll tell you that. Waterfall, waterfall. Come on. Here's Josie. Josie, come on. She's coming. I'm gonna go home and we're gonna have a good night's sleep. I gotta drive to Nashville either tomorrow or Saturday, because we're going to some convention and I will be wearing my fursuit. I forgot what convention it was. Baby bird. What is that? Nothing. Thought it was quartz. I did pick up some quartz. It's in my pocket before I started recording. Look at all these fucking bugs. Damn. Josie likes to swim in that. Anyways, this is why I know I'm on someone else's property. They got some giant water line. If anybody knows what this giant water line is doing, comment and I will like it. And I'll give you 5 Ashland bucks. Remember, you have to get 5 more if you want a nice, pretty picture. And to think, this is all basically in my backyard. This is my favorite spot. It's just solid wood. I mean, not wood, rock. It's just giant slabs of rock with giant hills. Oh, that wasn't like that before. Or that. The things you notice, right? What are you smelling? What are you smelling, hound dog? Huh? That's not my dog. Anyways, what is this thing doing? It sucks up water and it takes it along. And then there's a hose that goes into the ground and whatever. Water. Nothing nice in the water today, except for frogs and salamanders and bugs. Lots of bugs. If you haven't noticed, or if you didn't even know, I do not have my small dog with me. Gager, Coral, Gager Major. Well, that is because I had to give him to my mom because Hound Dog 4 was not getting along with him anymore after 5 years of Gager Major being 4's stepfather. 4 decided he did not want a stepdaddy anymore. So, Gage, the mage, the terrier, that's even hairier, had to go and live with my stinky mom. Stinky as in, she doesn't want to talk to me anymore. So, once she took the dog, she was like, you don't love me, blah, 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 whatever. I don't need a mom anyways. Maybe it'll change in the future. She decides to not be a butthole anymore. But other than that, I'm not sad about it. I've been living with it for many years. So, nothing new, no harm, no foul. She said, I took her money and ran. Took what money? The money you were supposed to give me? Because Oh. You claim me for the IRS? So you didn't owe money? Yeah. Okay. The money you gave me because I guess you loved me? Okay. The money that I didn't even ask for, but did I take it? Yes. Why? Because I'm a college student and I prefer not to live paycheck to paycheck. That is why. So, of course I'm going to take the little money my mommy gave me. Ex-mommy, I guess. Under the tree. Flower. These are my favorite. I absolutely love them. I want to pick them, but I know it's the right thing to do. To just leave it be. Flower. What are these flowers? Why do they look so cool? Huh? I like these ones. Okay. Stop. Whew. I'm still about 15 minutes from home. I am starting to tire out. I will make camp here for tonight. No, I won't. Oh. Flower. Okay. Look at these boogers. What a bunch of boogers. What a booger head. Hello, booger head. They know the way. This just keeps getting deeper and deeper. No good. Oh, I'm falling. There we go. That wasn't like that before. Man. That stump used to be over there. That's how much water comes down here. Look how smooth the sand is. Sandy Banandy. Bugs. Bugs. I probably have bugs in my eyes. They're just stuck in there. My back is hurting. My feet, not so much, actually. I hope this video gets at least 1,000 views. And I hope lots of people watch it. Because I think I did a very nice job making some commentary while I walk. Golf ball! Heck yeah! I've found about 8 golf balls in these woods so far. Double trouble? Oh my god! No way! Stick those. Is there another one? Golf ball on top of golf ball? I've just been the luckiest person today. Oh my goodness. That is actually insane. If this video does not get 100 likes, I'm deleting the earth. That's right. Gone. So if you don't like this video, you're a wiener. I'm sorry, I gotta say it. You're a hot dog head. Wiener water. Literally all of it. My dogs, I won't be able to afford to pay for their dog food, even though I don't pay for it even now. And I won't be able to get them 5 pounds of fish from the fish store anymore. And I won't be able to feed them beef throat. They went the wrong way. Oh, broke it. Look how deep I am. It's nice and cold down here. Oh, there's one of them. Look at them go. Why don't I jump like that? Man. Gotta walk up these logs. And I'm back. Under the tree. And I got a piece of bark in my hair. Whew. Flower. Fern. Okay, enough of that. Rock. Sliding. Hot, hot, hot. Ugh. I need a break. Too many bugs in my eye. Okay, continue. Dog. Josie Joe's up there. All dogs accounted for. The sun has gone even more down, but we will be fine. The house is approximately 10 minutes away. Dog. I wouldn't be surprised if I had a spider in my hair. Do I care? Kinda. But, hey, I was just talking about you. Look at the spider. Sweet. Don't get in my hair, please. I'm gonna go around you. I think whatever I talk about, it will manifest. Steak, 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 steak. Okay. Move. Mommy has to walk across this tree. Doggy does not. Literally, just straight up and down. How do they do it? Well, Mom, I've got claws. That's number 1. Number 2, I'm just healthier than you. Number 3, I got backwards facing legs. Yeah, I guess he's right. Number 4, I use 4 of them, not just 2. Okay. Where's Josie? I need to find her. She's probably up ahead. Tree. Oh, there she is. I knew it. Oh God. I take back everything about the hiking. Josie, come here. Come here. She's too far up ahead, and I don't want her that far up ahead of me. So I'm making her come back. That's a good girl. Come here, my girl. Good girl. Oh, wet. Good boy. Get her. I got a fun dog. Oh, he's got a stick. He dropped his stick. Did you get a stick? What a good boy he is. Cool. That wasn't there before. What the heck? Too many trees fell down. Better look. Yeah. If you like this video, send me a GoPro so I don't have to hold my phone anymore. And I will make so many hiking videos. Flower. Oh, flower, 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 flower. Whew. Oh yeah, a tree fell on my pathway. So, if you like this video, send me a chainsaw so I can get this stupid tree out of my way. Now I have to climb up. I don't like climbing up. Darn. Stupid tree. Oh, there's a stick in my boot. Oh. Okay. Come on. Oh! Josie, come here. I go right here. Shoe, glass. Oh. Oh, God. Fence. Oh, crap. And put our sticks here. Holy shit. Oh yeah, that tree fell in my yard. Did that to my shed. And broke my freaking railing. Okay, bath time, here we go. If you like this video, and you've watched it all the way through, subscribe, smash the like button, flowers, and message me on Instagram if you want 10 Ashland bucks. And again, you can redeem your Ashland bucks for a pretty picture, or you can save them up for a amazing picture, which costs $20. And now it's bath time. Here we